Hey and welcome. So we are going to dive straight into a great one today because Canva a couple of weeks ago, so I am a little behind the curve on this one, but this is a feature I really, really love and I couldn't not do a video on it. Canva have actually added in page numbers. You can add page numbers to all of your documents. So we're going to head over to my screen and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. Okay, so here we are. This is a bit of a mock-up design I've quickly put together, just using some of the templates in Canva to show you how we add page numbers. So as you can see, it's a magazine style document. I've got lots of pages and I think page numbers would be fantastic for this. You can add page numbers to anything, presentations, a magazine, ebooks, lead magnets, a fiction book if you're writing, coloring books if you're creating a coloring book. You can add page numbers to any document. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my main screen. These are my pages and I want to add page numbers. So the way to do that is to head over to the text box. When you hover over it, there's this option called dynamic text. Now this will give me my page numbers. I have some option here. I have the first one, which is numbers only, page and number, and then this one gives you page 1 of 20 or however many you have in your document. I'm going to go for page and number and then click apply properties to all pages. Okay, so as you can see, that one has been added into the bottom right hand corner, but it's on a photo. So if I just scroll in, you can now see I've got number 1, number 2, 3, 4, and it goes on. So I now have page numbers in every single corner. It's always that bottom right hand corner of your design. Now, I can change this if I want to. If I decide I don't want just numbers only, I can change it to page and numbers. And as you can see, it now says page 1. And I can change it to page 1 of 12 as we have 12 in this document. I can remove all of the page numbers if I want to all in one go, or I can have it shown on certain pages only. Because if you're creating a magazine or a book, you don't want it to show on page 1. So that's this section here. I will untick this one. So now it has disappeared off of my first page, but it is still on page 2 and page 3. Also, if I want to edit the text, so let's say, for example, I wanted to change the color because this is just a text box, so I can change the color, the font, whatever you like. I'm going to make it pink and I'm going to make it bold. And I want to have this copied across all of my pages. I'll go back to my dynamic page numbering and click apply properties to all pages. As you can see, it has now applied the pink and the bold to all of my pages. It is copied across. I can also, if I want to move this text box, so say I want it to be central, instead, I would rather to have my page numbers in the middle, and I want to go back to it just saying page and the number. So if I do that, I've got my box highlighted. I click apply properties to all pages, and it has moved it for me and it has copied the format. So now it's at the bottom of every page. So this is a really exciting one. I really love this. I love the fact that you can do so much with a page number. You can remove it from the cover. You can copy it across the whole document. So if you're working on a 200-page document, you do not need to edit each individual page number because Canva will do it for you. So there we go. What do you think of that? I think that's a fantastic feature, a very short, quick thing that you can do to add into your designs. And I get so many people saying to me, I wish I could add page numbers in. For me, it was the one of the number one things I've wanted Canva to add in, and they have. It is a fantastic feature. It is in the text box section and it's called dynamic text. Go and check it out. There you go. I love that feature. Please do check it out. And if you could, I would very, very much appreciate you hitting the like and subscribe button for my channel. I'm getting so close to 5,000 subscribers at the moment, and I would really, really love to hit that personal goal for me. So please go and do that. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.